Happy Monday, beauties and handsomes. Today I'm going to be showing you all 3 moves that are going to strengthen those arms. All you need is your body weight. So anywhere, anytime, no excuses. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because my channel be popping. I know I say this all the time and I stress it so much, but I pour so much into this channel. Almost everything on this channel that I post has helped me in some way to become the person I am today on any area of my fitness journey, whether it be physical, whether it be mental, whether it be financial. So make sure you check out some of my other videos, okay? And turn on those notifications so you know as soon as I post something. With that being said, let's move on to the exercises. The first move is a yo-yo speed bag. So you know how yo-yo goes up and down, round around. Okay. But yo-yos do go up and down and round and round. But we're going to apply the up and down principle to speed bags. Are you mad? You want to get up? Come on. You got to do it with me, okay? All right. So for the yo-yo speed bags, you want to bring those hands up. Come on. Ball up those fists. Bring those elbows out to the side, and you're going to rotate those fists around each other as you go up and down. Up and down. Yep, there you go. And you can do this sitting down or standing up. It's up to you. As long as you be sure to keep those fists tight so that you're feeling it all in those shoulders and in the upper arm. All right? Moving on to the next move. So the next move is a modified plank with shoulder tap. So from all fours, get on your knees. Get on your knees. Look at what I'm doing, Shanae. Yeah. Okay, so from all fours, you're going to tuck those hips under. You may need to move your knees back a little bit or walk your hands up just a little bit. So it's a plank, but down on your knees. So still everything straight from the top of your head to your knees should be pretty much a straight line. We're going to do an alignment check, making sure that the shoulders and the wrists are in line and that with your hands you're pushing away from the earth. And from here, you're going to bring the hand to the opposite shoulder, bring it back down. Again, hand to the opposite shoulder, bringing it back down. I'm going to face forward so that you can get a better view. So again, on all fours, tucking those hips under, shoulders and wrists in line, pushing away from the ground, bringing the arm to the opposite shoulder, taking it down, bringing the arm to the opposite shoulder, bringing it down. Good job. Give me a high five. So with these, you want to try to keep your core as tight as possible. That will help reduce some of the swaying. If you find yourself swaying a little bit too much, then you may need to slow down so that you can gain control of the movement. Lastly, we've got the crab walk. So we're going to be sitting on our tailbones, knees up to the ceiling, hands behind the back, fingertips facing in towards the body. And we're going to bring that tailbone up off of the ground. And we're going to walk it back. Come on. And walk it forward. Again, walking it back. There you go. And then walking it forward. Take your time. All right. So with this move, you want to make sure to keep the core tight and move as fast as you can while still being in control of the movement. All right, I want to say this is my favorite because it's kind of childish, but at the same time, you are strengthening those arms. So you let me know what your favorite move is in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And again, subscribe, my channel be popping. I will see you all next Monday. You gonna see you next Monday? Yeah. I don't know if you're gonna see him next Monday, but you can tell him see you later. See you later.